You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? This number in English is pronounced in British English as 20,000, 20,000. If you want to learn how it's pronounced in American English, 20,000. British English pronunciation UK 20,000. American English United States US 20,000. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.